Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Fettuccine Alfredo Primavera. Okay, now we're going to prepare our zucchini for our Primavera, and here's how this is done. I like to cut off the ends. Start with very ends. And then what I like to do with this, just to add a different kind of texture to it rather than doing julienne strips, we're going to go ahead and cut it lengthwise. We're going to leave skin on that's got a lot of nutrition in there. Just make sure it's nice and washed before you do this. Then cut these lengthwise as well, so they're going to be in quarters. If you have some really, really big zucchini, this is sort of medium, but if you have some really big ones, you may want to cut these into eighth, but this is the perfect size for this. And then now we've got it into quarters. Go ahead and just run your knife right through, just like this, and you see the nice quarter rounds you're going to get.